In this video, I'll guide you through how to unblock a MoneyGram account. If you find yourself unable to access your MoneyGram account, don't worry. We'll walk through the steps to regain access and get your account up and running again. First, let's head over to the MoneyGram login page. You can access this either through the MoneyGram app on your mobile device or directly from the official website on your computer. Once you're at the login page, you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you're having trouble logging in, the next step is to click on Forgot Password. This is a handy feature that allows you to reset your password quickly and easily. After selecting Forgot Password, you'll need to follow the instructions that MoneyGram sends to your registered email address. This email will guide you through creating a new password. It's important to ensure your new password is strong and secure to protect your account. Use a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters to make sure it's robust. Now, if resetting your password doesn't solve the issue and your account remains blocked, it might be due to security or compliance reasons. In such cases, you'll need to reach out to MoneyGram customer service directly. Their team is equipped to assist you with verifying your account and guiding you through the unlocking process. Keep any relevant account information handy, as this will help expedite the verification process. Customer service representatives are there to help, so don't hesitate to ask questions if you need clarification on any part of the process. Once you've contacted customer service and they verified your account, they will help you get everything sorted out and unblocked. With these steps completed, you should be able to access your MoneyGram account without any issues. And that's it. That's how to unblock your MoneyGram account. By following these steps, you'll be back to using your account in no time. Remember, keeping your account information up to date and maintaining a strong password are key to avoiding similar issues in the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to MoneyGram's support team. Have a great day.